Okay, so I just got this 33 pounds of ice yarn. It's about 15 kilos. And let's open it up and see what we got. So we got 3 different colorways in the Cakes Blues, which I have never tried before, so I'm really excited. This is number 58031, Cakes Blue Turquoise. These are really pretty colors. Green, lime green, periwinkle, yellow, just gorgeous for summer. Really nice. Then we got in number 58136, Cakes Blue Copper. Really pretty. These are more fall colors. Turquoise, olive, golds, and deep purples. Little burgundy. Very pretty. And the last one is 58030, Cakes Blue, White, Red. Very pretty. I didn't think I'd like these colors together, but they actually look really nice. Make a fun blanket. So I'm going to take some out for you. So here are the 3 colorways of the Cakes Blues. Really pretty yarn. It's really nice. There's no fuzz hardly at all on it. Very little. It looks to be very nicely wound where it's not going to split. I really like it. Let's look at one of them close up. There's some colors in there. Really pretty. And again, hardly no fuzz. Kind of reminds me of the Lorena worsted. Very clean, very neat looking. I like that. Very nice. I really love this yarn. I'm so excited because I found this yarn on Hobium originally and it sells out constantly. It's so popular. I was only able to get 10 balls of one color. This is Alpaca Punto Brown 63187. This is the same as, guess what? I'm going to show you. This Himalaya Aria from Hobium, which I love. These colors are great, but it's exactly the same as the Alpaca Punto. Look at this. I'm going to open them up. So I was so happy to see the Alpaca Punto, and I really wanted to order every single color because they're so beautiful, which is the same thing I want to do on Hobium, but they didn't have them. But I can't order everything. But let me show you the 2 yarns. This is the Himalaya Aria, and this is the Ice Yarns Alpaca Punto. As you can see, exactly the same. Very exciting. Love it. So I did an unboxing of this in my first Hobium Yarns unboxing. So if you want to see this really, really close up, check that video out because I unwound this and everything for you. But this literally is exactly the same yarn. So that is exciting. And I'll be letting you know more if I find more. Because a lot of these companies, they take the same yarn and they put their own name on it. And it's the same yarn. This is pretty sure it's the same yarn. I'll have to compare the, let's compare. 20% alpaca, 20% superwash, extra fine merino wool, 42% acrylic, and 18% polyamide. 5 weight. That's the Ice brand. Let's see what this one says. 62% acrylic, 18% polyamide, 10% fine merino, 10% superwash alpaca. So they are saying that there's a tiny variation in the percentages of the material, but honestly, they look and feel exactly the same. Look at this. They look and feel exactly the same. And I got one more color because this color I wanted on Hobium and they didn't have it. I love this blue gray color. This is 63250 Alpaca Punto Gray White Blue. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to make myself a little poncho or capelet or shawl or scarf or something out of this. I might have to get more because I just absolutely, this is my favorite color in the world. And this yarn is amazing. I'm going to take it out for you. Check it out. Very soft. Gorgeous. It's got little gray and white pom-poms on it. Oh! I can't wait to work with this one. This is nice. So I will be ordering other colors as I go. I can't, like I said, if I could order everything, I would have no room in my house for anything. So I do have to restrain myself, unfortunately. But this was so cool. I apologize for this part of the video. Somehow my audio completely dropped out of this whole huge clip, and I didn't discover it till after I started editing. And I was going to leave it out of the video, but then I thought these yarns are so great and you really need to see them. And I couldn't bear to re-videotape this. So I'm going to cut it up. I'm going to do a voiceover, and I'm going to try to have my mouth show not as much as possible so that you're not all freaked out by my mouth not matching the words, you know, that are coming out. So just look at the yarns, don't pay attention to me, and let me know what you think of them, because I really love them. Sorry about that, guys. This is the Magic Glitz, number 22052. This is the turquoise, silver, light blue shades, not to be mixed up with the turquoise shades, which is actually more turquoise. This is a 3-weight, 95% acrylic, 5% Lurex. It's the same yarn as Magic Light, but Magic Light does not have the metallic thread going through it. This is really great. This is the Boucle, sorry I have trouble saying that, Boucle Wool Bulky, number 65226, and this is yellow, green, orange, navy. 35% wool, 55% acrylic, 10% polyamide. It's a 5 chunky. This is really soft. You can feel some wool in it, but it doesn't feel scratchy. Really gorgeous. I want to make a nice cozy scarf with this. I think it would be really cool for winter, which unfortunately is coming. Yikes! This is another shade of the Boucle Wool Chunky. This is Blue Shades Salmon Light Yellow. This would make a great item for a baby, but it does have wool in it, but these colors are so, so pretty. As I said, it's very soft. There is turquoise, blue, orange, and yellow in it, and it just feels amazing. The polyamide, I think, really softens it up. This is the Dream yarn in turquoise shades, pink shades, number 57747. 100% acrylic, 3-weight. I love this yarn. The colors are great, and it looks like cotton, but it's super soft. It's crisp and clean like cotton, but it's soft, and it's going to make some really great stuff. They have some beautiful, beautiful shades in this. This is the Natural Cotton Worsted in baby pink. Number 66821, 100% cotton. I want to compare this to the natural cotton that I got before, which is what I used on the border in the blanket behind me, because I'm making a new one for our Cal, and I need to replace that yarn. This is Favorite Ethnic purple shades, lilac, red, white, brown. I don't really see any brown in it. I do see red. I see some really, really bright fuchsia purple. Just gorgeous. I love this. 100% acrylic, number 53784. It is a 4-weight, and we had a customer order this, so I wanted to show it to you. But I'm going to be putting a picture in here. It looks like it makes a pattern when you knit, which I have to find out more about. We have another shade of Favorite Ethnic, which is white, turquoise, pink, blue shades. Also very pretty, number 53780. I have not met a yarn I don't like. And when I learn how to knit, maybe I can do something. Now, I forgot to show you some of the Morella shades that we got. I showed you the Morella Rainbow at the end of part 1 of this video, but I forgot that we got 5 other shades in, and they are absolutely beautiful. This is the Morella Green Shades, Blue Shades, 65805. Brilliant blues and greens and a little turquoise, aqua. There's a metallic thread running through, which is green, which is really unusual. This color is Morella Gold Shades, Red, Green, Navy. And this has a metallic thread, which is actually orange going through it, or deep red. It's really beautiful. I think that's what makes it so unique. It's not just a silver or a gold cord. This is Morella Blue Shades, 65806. And that metallic thread is green, and look how well it goes with the blue shades green. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I love it. This is the Morella Green Shades Gold Cream Silver, and number 65803. This has a metallic gold thread. Like I said, the threads just make everything look so gorgeous. This is the Morella Green Shades Lilac, number 65804. And that metallic thread is deep blue. This yarn is blowing my mind. I think I'm going to mix all the shades together in like a waterfall shawl and just, I think it's going to be gorgeous. Let me know what you think and what you would do with this yarn, because this is beautiful. Next we have two colors of rock and roll. So this one is 66044, camel, green, gold, muted shades of green, taupe, a little bit of orange, a little bit of purple. Very, very pretty. And then the other color I have is 65853, turquoise shades, red shades. So this is really pretty too. These are unusual combinations. I really like them. And we also have a couple of other shades of rock and roll. Actually, if you look there, the blue and the cream is rock and roll. And then the green and the beige kitty corner to that diagonal, that's also rock and roll. So those are available in bulk on the site as well. And then this few balls will be available on Yarn Nut too. But let's take one out and see what they look like. Here's the camel. Here's the red shades blue. Here's a strand for you if you can see that. Very pretty. Really soft. The rock and roll is nice. There's no shine to the rock and roll like there is the rockabilly and the rockstar. It's very subtle if there is, but it's not shiny like that yarn, so this is really nice. So that's our ice yarn unboxing for today, and please check out all of our yarns on yarnnut.com, and have a great day. Bye!